Alright, these are going to be the main set elevators here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House at Walt Disney World in Lake Livingston, Florida. And we have this car to ride first. Very nice elevators. 6 is locked, that's the Kilimanjaro Club here in the Magic Band to go up there. So we'll go up to 5. Here on 5. These are quite fast too. These go 350 per minute for 6 floors. Door close does not work. Anyways, there's your phone certificate. This is car number P3, capacity of 4,000. Series 4 buttons. Your Magic Band reader. Floor indicator. Here's your view of the cab. These are very nice cabs. Quite big too. Definitely well appropriate for the hotel. Whoops. I'm gonna let those people take the elevator. We'll try to get a different car. There goes that one. I like these call stations too. Definitely well decorated. And we have this car to ride next. There's 5 total elevators in this main set. Here's this one. Okay, 6 is locked, that's a Kilimanjaro Club. So we'll go up to 5. We're on the 5th floor. Back down to 1. Again, door close does not work on any of these elevators, and this phone box is locked. It's car number P5, capacity of 4,000. Series 4 buttons and your Magic Band reader, floor indicator, and here's your view of the cab. Again, these are very nice elevators, definitely well appropriate for the theming of the resort. These are big too. We'll go back at the 5 to get a view from the one of the balconies. Again, these are fast. These go 350 feet per minute for 6 floors. And here we're back at 5. I like those custom lanterns too on the outside. Very cool. We come out here. Have a great view towards like the what's it called, the courtyard resort, because over there is the hotel's or the resort swimming pool or one of the pools. Down there's a little creek. A little pedestrian area here, the walkway to take you over to like some restaurant and the cafeteria or food court, whatever it might be down there. Overall, a very nice view. Go back inside and get a view towards the atrium and the lobby. And here's your view towards the atrium and the lobby. There's a Christmas tree right there, as this place is decorated for Christmas, because by the time I'm filming this, today is what, December 13th? Sorry, my watch has a notification from a different app. Yep, it is December 13th, so about 12 days before Christmas is when I'm filming this. Very nice Christmas tree and a very nice lobby. Let's go check out this bridge over here real quick, then we'll go back down the elevator. So here's the bridge we're going to walk across. You can get a better view of the Christmas tree and the atrium. 2 people, we're not going to get them on camera. Over there, it takes you out to an animal encounter. So here's what it's like on the other side of the bridge. Just a hallway. I'm not going to go back across the bridge since there's 2 ladies standing right there. I want to get them on camera. Out of respect for people. If you look up there, that's the 6th floor, which is the Kilimanjaro Club. It's only reserved for, I believe, Disney Vacation Club members. I'm not 100% sure though. This is the Cuda Trail. Down there it takes you to Ostrich Trail. To directory. Here's a much better view of the Christmas tree. Again, very nice. And we come over here. This direction here is... don't see a sign anywhere. I'm not sure what this is down there. Let me check the sign over here in the corner. This is Giraffe Trail. I think those people just went down the elevator, so we'll let them go down. They went down that elevator. Let's see if we get a different car going down. Okay, like I said, there's 5 elevators in this set, serving 6 floors, and they're fast too. Definitely quite reasonable because these elevators tend to get pretty busy. And we have this car to ride down. I don't think we've ridden this car yet, but we'll try to do a round trip if nobody's waiting down at 1. Here are 1. We'll take one more ride up to 5 on these elevators. Alright, I'm going to end the video up here, where there's less people. Anyways, those were the main guest elevators here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House. And that would be it.